Hey guys, how's it going? My name is j-statik and this is the Static Sessions. So today we're going to be learning about how to find the key of a song super fast and easy. This is for people that don't know their keys or don't know how to play along with a song or do any of that kind of stuff. This is really easy, and I think it's especially a great tool for DJs and beginner producers who don't know keys that well. And honestly, this was me as well. I didn't know, and I didn't even have these programs when they first existed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going into two programs mainly. First one's going to be Serato DJ Pro. Second one's going to be Mixed in Key, just to give you a very simple idea on how to find the key of a song. There might be some little tiny quirks that you don't know about, but I'm going to teach you guys those in literally, I'm going to say 30 seconds, but it's probably going to be a little bit longer than 30 seconds. Let's jump into this right now. So I already have a file for a vocal. Usually ends up being a vocal that people want to find the key of. So we'll drag it and literally drop it into Serato DJ Pro. So once you drop the file into Serato DJ Pro, you'll see that it shows up. It loads for a second, then it shows you a key that says 12A. 12A might not mean anything to you, and honestly it doesn't mean anything to me either because I don't know what 12A is. But once I click on the settings section and you go into library and display, down here you got show key as. You can change that to classical key. And then what we do is jump back out of this and boom, it says C sharp minor. Now what I've done is, I don't know why I have so many things open, but in Ableton I've opened up a little piano so I can hear it. So now if I jump into this song, like say over in this section right here, and I press play. So if we jump into the section right here and I press play on this vocal, it'll play the song, and then because I've got the piano already set up in Ableton, I'll be able to tell. And this is from my own recollection just to make sure that I know it's right, but so for me, it's right, it's correct. This vocal is in C sharp, and it may be in minor, but I'm not going to get into that point because then we have to get into scales and stuff. But that's the simplest way to do it. In Serato DJ Pro, it's available on their site. So you can just go onto their site. I believe it's like 10 bucks a month or 130 or 140 bucks. Grab it. Honestly, easy program to use. Now, if we go into Mixed in Key, and I drop Serato DJ Pro, you'll see Mixed in Key shows up. It's really simple. Go into the same file. If I drag it in here, it'll do its analyzing, processing, and then within a second, it'll have everything ready. So it shows me that it's 12A. It also shows me the sharp, but I had this program from before. An easy way for this to actually show up in the sharp section is by going to settings, going into key notation, and clicking on right here where it says extra key column, put in sharps, or you can put in flats, you can put in whatever you want. Click back on Mixed in Key, and this section would show up. And that's it. So you know it's 12A, and you know it's C sharp. Now, if you're looking to get to know what the Camelot key structure is, it's not very, very difficult. It's easy to do, but I'm going to show you right now just so you guys have an idea of what it is. So up here, you got this wheel. It's really simple. It's got 12A, 1A, 2A. What that means is if you're ever trying to put in a sample that's maybe 2A into a song that's 1A, it can still sound good. It'll probably be the first, third, or fifth of that. And if you don't know what a first, third, and fifth is, we'll be getting back more into that a little bit later on. But it's just keys that go well with each other. So you can definitely take a look at these. And for DJing, it's awesome because if you're going to mix in a song from 1A to 2A, it's really simple to do. But to get an idea of where 12A is on the piano, if you click on this piano button that's right here, it'll show you that 12A is right there, the one that's highlighted. That says C sharp. So you get an idea of where that is. For me, I'm more of a keyboard guy, so I actually I like to know where it is on the keyboard. If it's C sharp, I want to know it's C sharp. But that is it. So that's a quick, easy, dirty way to find out what the key of your vocal sample song, whatever it may be, is. And that is it. If you think this video helped you guys out, please comment, like, subscribe, share as much as you can, hit that bell, and look forward to future videos. Thank you.